My name is Alex Day, and today we will meet the artist Knapple. Knapple is a graffiti writer in Norwich. She is known for painting colourful pineapples as well as messages supporting Black Lives Matter. Knapple is also an educator, helping women of colour learn the art of graffiti. Thanks for joining us today, Knapple.
Hi.
I have 5 quick-fire questions for you. Shall we start?
Let's do it.
Question number 1. What is your favourite colour and why?
My favourite colour is shocking pink. I think maybe probably because it's just loud and obnoxious like me. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of it in the house.
I think I can see some shocking pink.
Yeah, it's my favourite.
You've decorated your sofa with it.
I have, yeah.
Question number 2. If you could only take one artwork with you to a desert island, what would you take?
Now, this is a difficult question. I thought about that, and then I thought maybe just anything by Yayoi Kusama, because
Let's have a look.
you could get lost in these, couldn't
Wow.
you? Yeah. And maybe, have you seen her infinity rooms? I mean, these are just incredible, aren't they? And they're huge as well.
And
Beautiful.
she's the artist that paints a lot of polka dots.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Ah, that's so great.
Imagine
So
if you had
that's
one of those.
that's a sculpture.
As well, couldn't you? Yeah. Maybe this one actually, because then you could sunbathe on it. Maybe take it in the water, use it as a slide.
That's
yeah,
it. I can see you sliding off that.
Yeah, this is the one.
That would decorate the island.
Absolutely.
Question number 3. What is your earliest memory of art?
I think it's when at middle school I painted, or junior school, I painted, well, I think with chalks or oil pastel or something, an iris, like a purple iris. And everyone told me it was really good. And I was like, oh, that's something. I'm an artist. And then I forgot all about being an artist, but now I am an artist.
That's fantastic. Question number 4. Can you describe the art you make using one word?
Loud.
Great. And 5, if someone has never made art before, tell us one reason they should start.
For self-esteem, I think, and yeah, mental health, to make you happy.
Yeah, it can really have that effect, and growing confidence.
Yeah, absolutely.
And finally, we have a bonus question for you, Knapple.
Exciting.
Pineapple on pizza, yay or nay?
Oh, yes.
It's
Absolutely.
A yes from Knapple.
Yes.
A contentious answer there. So there you have it. It's a yes to pineapple on pizza.
And in curry.
And in curry.
Yes.
Blimey,
yeah.
pineapple
Try curry,
in everything.
Pineapple. Yeah, everything.
Well, maybe that's something we should all try. Thank you so much for your answers, Knapple. They were really great. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Bye.